So, dear students, please refer to the problem number 6 of projection of planes. Problem number 6 of projection of planes. Yes, I will read the question. A regular pentagon ABCDE of 25 mm side has its side BC in the HP. Regular pentagon ABCDE side is 25 mm and its side BC in HP. Its plane is perpendicular to the HP and inclined at 45 degree to the VP. Its plane is perpendicular to the HP. Plane is perpendicular to the HP and 45 degree to VP. Draw the projection of the pentagon. Show its traces when its corner nearest to the VP is 10 mm from it. When its nearest corner is 10 mm from VP. So the question is a regular pentagon of side 25 mm. Its side BC is in HP. Its plane is perpendicular to the HP and 45 degree to the VP and 10 mm from and its nearest corner is 10 mm away from VP. So for your convenience, for understanding, imagination, I have taken this pentagon, that this is the pentagon ABCDE, such that according to question its side is 25 mm and side BC is in HP and it is perpendicular to the HP. Pentagon is perpendicular to the plane of pentagon is perpendicular to the HP. This is HP and this is VP. It is like this. Initially it is assumed like this. Its plane is perpendicular to the HP and 45 degree inclined to the VP. 45 degree inclined to the VP, like this. Means this plane is perpendicular to the HP and 45 degree inclined to the VP, like this. And 10 mm, its nearest corner is 10 mm away from nearest corner to the VP is 10 mm from it. Means which is the nearest corner? Nearest corner is this one. Just I will see the question. Nearest corner is 10 mm from it. This corner. This corner is 10 mm from the VP. So this question is to be made in two steps. First, we will draw the question by assuming the plane to be perpendicular to the HP and parallel to the VP in this position. Then we will rotate this view by 45 degree. Which view will be rotated? In the initial position, front view will be like this, the true shape of the pentagon, and top view will be a line parallel to the XY, to the reference line. Then we will rotate the top view. Just I will draw the question, start drawing the question. First of all, draw a reference line XY. Then it is given that one side is PC is in HP. Here you may start 25 mm side. So this is the front view of the pentagon, and next top view is to be drawn. It is given that its nearest corner is 10 mm away from VP. So mark its top view at 10 mm from reference line. 10 mm from the reference line, and mark its points as A dash. Side BC is in HP, so B dash, C dash, D dash, and the last one is E dash. So in the top view, these points are A, B, E, this one is C, and last one is D. So up to this step, we have assumed this plane, this pentagon to be perpendicular to the HP and parallel to the VP. But in the question it is given that it is 45 degree inclined to the VP. Now if it is inclined at 45 degree to the VP, it will be like this, and its top view will be at 45 degree to the horizontal line. 45 degree to the horizontal line. Just you have to displace this complete line AB, BE, EC, CD, and transfer all these distances on this line at line 45 degree to the, mark a line 45 degree to the horizontal line, then take this point as a A. Take this point as a A. And next, with the help of compass, you open the compass equal to AB from this side, AB, and transfer this distance. This point is B, then B to E, then E to C, then C to D. Now these points are A, B, E, C, and last one is E. And then draw the projection lines on all these points. रिलीज कर लेते हैं. And then draw the horizontal lines from all these points, from E, from A and D, from B and C are already drawn. Then join perpendicular line of A with the line from here, it is A dash. Similarly B, where is B? B is this one. This is B dash. This is C dash. This is D dash. This line is of E. This is E dash. Then join all these points. In the question, what is again asked? Draw the projection of the pentagon and show its traces. Show its traces. Traces, we have already discussed that if we produce the plane, if we extend the plane where it meets the HP or VP, those lines, those points are called traces. If it is meeting the horizontal plane, then it is called horizontal trace. If it is meeting the vertical plane, then it is called vertical trace. Now plane is like this. It will be, if we extend it, it will meet the vertical plane. वर्टिकल प्लेन को ये मीट करेगा. Just you can draw it. So this point is E double dash. These points are A double dash, B double dash, B double dash and C double dash. So this is the vertical trace. And itself top view is the horizontal trace. AB, BE, EC, CD. This complete is the horizontal trace. And finally, final drawing जो है, it should be marked with the continuous thick line. This is the vertical trace and this is the horizontal trace as well as the top view.